Traffic Jam Assist works with adaptive cruise control and the lane keeping assist system to keep the vehicle centered in its lane and a set distance from the vehicle ahead. Available on select Acura models, Traffic Jam Assist uses the same radar and camera sensors as other Acura watch features. Similar to how low-speed follow is a low-speed extension of adaptive cruise control, Traffic Jam Assist is like the low-speed extension of the lane keeping assist system. It operates at speeds between 0 and 72 kilometers per hour with a detected vehicle traveling ahead. To use Traffic Jam Assist, both adaptive cruise control and the lane keeping assist system must be first activated by pressing their respective right side steering wheel buttons. With these systems active, Traffic Jam Assist will automatically engage when the vehicle speed drops below 72 kilometers per hour. Traffic Jam Assist remains active all the way down to a stop. Traffic Jam Assist is temporarily deactivated when a turn signal is activated. It reactivates once the vehicle is traveling in the center of the lane and the system has detected both the lane lines and a vehicle ahead. Once traffic clears and vehicle speed surpasses 72 kilometers per hour, Traffic Jam Assist automatically deactivates and the lane keeping assist system resumes the lane centering function. To cancel Traffic Jam Assist, turn off either the lane keeping assist system or adaptive cruise control systems using the right-hand steering wheel buttons. This will prevent Traffic Jam Assist from automatically engaging. Traffic Jam Assist operation is affected by weather, road conditions, and other factors. In some situations, it may not function normally or at all. To ensure optimal Traffic Jam Assist functionality, keep the camera and radar sensor free from dirt, snow, salt, and other debris or obstructions. As always, the driver remains in control of the vehicle. See your owner's manual for additional warnings, operational considerations, and system limitations.